Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will talk about few certifications which will give you a good hike in your salary. And as we know that now it is like AI and all the thing is coming, but few jobs will be there which will be not affected by AI, and those people who are working on those streams need to upgrade themselves with time. Okay, and today we will talk about few certification with which they can upgrade themselves and they can get almost 30% hike in their current salary. And in this video we'll explore few of the certifications, so it will be a short video, not too long. I will make it precise and give you the perfect information regarding the video, regarding the certificates. And today is basically the certification is preferably for those people who are in management, project management, IT project management. Especially this is my field, so I have a pretty good knowledge on this. So let's start the video. So let's start with PMP, which is Project Management Professional Certificate. So who should take this? This certificate is normally for people who have around 3 to 5 years of experience in project management and who are managing large projects, complex projects, and want international recognition. They can take this. It will take around 3 to 4 months of proper study time, and the exam is around 3.5 hours. Main pros are like it is globally recognized, high pay premium, and cons are require experience and it is little costly. So yeah, people who are experienced and want to upgrade themselves, you can take this certification. So next we have Certified Associate in Project Management, which is an entry level certification from PMI. It is preferred for beginners or those who want experience in PM. And who should take this? This is preferred for people who are thinking of career change, or fresh graduates, or those who are new to this project management field. It is best for them. So it will take around 1 to 2 months of study period. The exam is 3 hours. So if you're thinking of switching your career, so you can go for this certification. Number 3, Certified Scrum Master. If Agile is your path, then this is the best certification for you. Who should take the certification? IT team working in Agile environment, tech focused professionals, or you are handling Zira, then this certification is best for you. There are normally 3 steps. First is the Scrum certification, the basic one, then we have the advanced, and lastly we have the professional certification. So this normally will take a minimum 2 to 3 weeks, take 1 month of study period. And it doesn't matter your experience or you're a beginner, you can always go for the CSM. So you can start with the basic CSM certification, then as per your experience you can take the other certification like advanced and then professional. So no problem if you're a starter, take this certification if you are a Scrum Master or if you are planning to be a Scrum Master. Number 4, many people don't know about the certification. It is Prince 2. This certification is normally for those people who are in Europe or traditional enterprises based on Europe. This certification is important for them. This is mainly for professionals in government, finance, or European organization. It will take around 2 to 3 months. 2 level are there, one foundation, one practitioner. So you can go for the first one and then after getting more experience you can go for the next one. You're doing job in India, I don't think this is much of a need for you. But if you are going for Europe or going for European organizations, this certificate is very much useful and helpful for you. Okay, next go to the second certification, the last certification, which is Google Project Management Certification, the OG certification. If you want a modern tech focus approach, Google Project Management Certification is worth considering. So who can do this? Like if you are a beginner or a techie person, or you want to go to project management, you want to change your career to project management, you can always take this certification. This certification is an online certification. You can do it from Coursera. It is normally a teaching foundation PM with modern methodology certification. It will need around 3 to 4 months at your own space. It's online, so you can do it as you like. Costing will be around $39, or if you take a Coursera subscription, it will be 6,700. Within that only you can do the certification. Okay, Among all the certification, I personally love this certification because it is most cost effective, and you can start your certification journey in PM through this certification. Comment down below which stream certifications you need and I will make videos on that. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye.